Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I have another Guess What's in the Box video. It's a pretty medium-sized box, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, hope you guys are having a good day. So this is another Guess What's in the Box video. We're gonna measure it real quick. We'll go from there. So this box is, let's do this one first. This box is 19 and 1/4 inch long. It is 14 inches and 3/8 inch wide. And it is 3 inches and 1/4 inch tall or deep. I will be giving away some stickers to whoever guesses right what they think is in this box. I'll be giving away an Ulsa Tool sticker as well as a Wrench Trench Garage sticker, and that's all I have to give away at the moment. I will contact you, whoever guesses correctly. I will send a message either on social media or Facebook or wherever I can find you guys, or you guys can send me an email or contact me on social media, and I will get them sent out to you, no problem. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I do appreciate you guys stopping by the channel as always. It is very much appreciated. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And down in the description below, at the very top of the description, I have a link that I just got from Ulsa Tools. It is a personalized link for me. If you guys want to click on that link, it will send you to Ulsa Tools. It will give you 10% off your first order, and it will also give me 10% off as well, which is always nice. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Hopefully it's not boring, but please, like always, like, and if you guys need some Ulsa tools, actual hand tools or organization items, go check out that link. It might help you out. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace! My hands are dirty, working on a car.